Hello everyone and welcome back to TechStack channel. So today we'll try to explore one more new topic which is related to the VBA. And basically we know that PowerPoint is available. So now we'll try to explore how we can connect with this PowerPoint and how it will works exactly. So we'll try to explore with VBA. So this is the code. I mean, we need to develop the code, and the extension of the macro file is .xlsm. So if you are not saving with xlsm, so you are not able to write the code. So now I'm defining that code, everything here. So subject, just I will make it as PPT creation. So you can make any name, it's fine. So next, so we need to create the one object. So this object which is connecting to our PPT. So let me create one object. So set PPT application. So nothing but as I need to create object of. So what's our application? So our application name is PowerPoint. So just update PowerPoint dot application. So now I have created this application. So what it will just give the access to this particular application. Later we need to open that PowerPoint. So right now we have multiple names of the PowerPoint. So right now it's having this some market slide monthly. So I make name like that. So now I need to open this particular slide. I mean particular PowerPoint. For that I need to create again. I need to set that variable. So PowerPoint. I will make PPT underscore book. So just I will make this PowerPoint book. So if you want, you can change this alternately. It's not any problem. So PowerPoint app dot presentation. So presentation presentations dot open off. So we need to give this path. So I will go to my local folder and I will take this path. So I'm copying this path. So let me update this path. So now what I did now, so I just give the connection has been established to PowerPoint and I'm opening this PowerPoint. So let me close this and we'll try to open this. So it's created the I mean connection has been established. Now it's open that particular PowerPoint. So like that, if you want your file may be changed, so just change your file path as per that. So if you want, you can declare this variable as well, give the file name, pass this data, and you can pass it variable here. So that's fine. So now the next, so I want to get this count of this entire slides. So when you check now, right now we have these three slides are there. So if you want to check this count here like this, so go to this immediate window. So here available. So just put a question mark and take this PowerPoint book dot count slides dot count. So if you give that, so you will get this count of this particular I mean particular PowerPoint slides. So as of now we have it's presented three slides are there. The same thing we can get. So now I will get here number of slides. I'm declaring one variable number of slides is equals to just I'm taking this one and I will update the top step. So if you want to read on that again the top step, just right click here and keep press set next statement. So it will go there. And now we can check here. So if you go and check here number of slides, so I have the total number of slides is 3. So now this is done. Here I want to loop each and every slide. So after that I need to activate this particular slide. For example, right now it is activated slide 1. So I need to activate slide 2 and similar for the slide 3. So this one how we can do with this. So if you want to loop, then we need to use for each loop. So I'm taking this for each loop and here I will make it as slides. So this is one variable I'm just taking slides for each slides in. So where the slides are available in this workbook. So just I'm taking this one dot slides. So what it will do, it will loop on every each and every slides. So next I will make it as next here. So this is the syntax, first syntax. So after that what we want to so we need to activate that particular slide. So just take this PPT slide dot select. Okay, so what it will do, it will select that particular slide. And next, if you want to get that slide name, so just take that. I'm declaring one variable, slide name equals to. So we need to get that ppt dot one second, ppt dot slide. We'll check this one. So whether we will get that slide name or not, I think maybe let it be. Forget about this. Now stop now. So now we'll open and look that. So every each and every slide will activate. So right now, if you see here, so slide number 3 is activated. Okay, let me revoke on that. So its execution has been completed. So now I'm running this one again. So it's opened. So just as of now, temporary purpose, I activated this slide 3. Now when I run this code, so it will activate slide 1, 2, 3. So you can just make observe here. So now you can check if you want, you can get this count number as well. So now if you see his slide 1 is activated, you can see this light orange color. So when I run next loop, so it will activate the second slide, and similar way it will activate for the third slide. So like that we can activate with each and every slides. So going further, we'll try to learn how we can update here data here. And if we have some other shapes are there, for example, we have multiple shapes. Let me draw one shape here. So I have this shape. In this shape, already shapes are available. So why I'm saying means when you go some organization, already they have the pre-built templates are there. So just every month or every week they are updating the some data. For example, if you say I need to update the date here, so every time date will be changed. And if you get some stocks or increase or stocks or a decrease, or might be some other data is populated. So those things how we can populate, we'll check that. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.